Happy Sunday, Toppers family. It's time again for my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And this was again hell of a week, and I've selected my top 5 fitted hats and I'm ready to show them off to you now. But before we start, I would like to ask you guys, please hit the subscribe button if you have not hit the subscribe button so far, and join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. This would mean the world to me. Thank you very much for your support. And at the end of the video, if you like my selection, you can also hit the like button. This would be highly appreciated. So without further ado, let's go into this and take a look what I've selected this week for my top 5 fitted hats of the week. Number 5 is the Tampa Bay Lightning, and this came out super nice. It is clean, it has a lot of shine, and it has a nice colorway. You got a chrome dome, black button visor, and then you got this beautiful embroidered front logo, as you can see, in metallic silver with the black outline. And boy, oh boy, look at this fantastic side patch. Lightning 20th anniversary, beautiful, pops off really good with this black and white. And on the back, we got a super nice silver NHL shield, flat embroidered, gray UV, black guts. My 5th place this week, the Tampa Bay Lightning in chrome and black. My 4th place this week is another very special hat, and I know you guys like the black pinstripe. I like the black pinstripe too, and adding a ransom note on this makes it even more special. The Chicago White Sox, the first time that we do a White Sox ransom note, and I thought it is mandatory to do it on a black pinstripe hat, so dome, and we have here black button visor too, and this beautiful new 125th anniversary side patch, which looks absolutely amazing on this hat. On the back, you got a regular flat MLB Batterman, beautiful hat, gray UV, black guts. Different. Very cool. So, this next hat was a special drop at Topperzstore Mod Haven, and I thought, why not take it in the Mod Haven hats too? It looks really, really nice. Absolutely different. We got the New York Knicks in this beautiful Japanese script in the front, and then we added the New York Knicks NBA logo man on the side with metallic pewter. But look on those details in the front. It's absolutely amazing with the metallic silver, with the metallic pewter outline, and this orange pops off so great of this metallic blue. Beautiful. On the back, you got again the Knicks with a super shiny edition of this metallic liquid titanium outline. Beautiful hat. Was an exclusive drop. So first exclusive drop at Topperzstore Mod Haven. Let's have a look if this will also come online. This is my 3rd place this week. So my 2nd place this week is, one of our Topperzstore family members had a great idea. Let's make Seattle Kraken to the series, you know, to the Judgment Day series, how it is called. And this is the hat that I did for this. And oh my god, this is so crazy. So crazy. The liquid titanium outline pops off so crazy on this hat. And then you got the red eye in there. So front door red, really rich red. And on the side we got the Fear the Deep, also super sparkling shiny with the red anchor. And on the back, yeah, this is liquid titanium at its best with the NHL shield. Super shiny, all black hat, gray UV, black guts. My 2nd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And now my 1st place comes from a very special event this week. We had the 200th episode of our Cap Talk stream, and this was very special for me. So I thought, this deserves a very special hat on both stores. And you guys know I'm a huge wrestling fan. Due to my wife, she brought me into wrestling and brought me back to wrestling. Let's say it like this, right? Really brought me back. But she's much more a huge wrestling fan than me. But she brought me back into this, and I'm super glad about that. And that's the reason why we had to drop this crazy thing on Monday, and it came out absolutely amazing. It's a hook to one of my favorite wrestlers. Beautiful hat, the Richmond Flying Squirrels. This is my first place this week with the Eastern League side patch. And then we got the new Minor League Betterman in flat gold and liquid titanium on the back. This is such a great hat. Gray UV, black guts. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below what were your top 5 fitted hats of the week. Do you agree with my selection, or do you say, Pat, nah, this is not a really good selection? I have selected completely different hats. Then let me know in the comments below. If you want to join our Discord, you will also find the link below in the Discord, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow again for Cap Talk episode 201, and the streak continues. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I hope to see you next week again. I'm out. Bye.